This video is of my Snap-on toolbox GR 2212 with tools inside. From here I got a 3/4 inch drive, breaker bar, 3/4 inch drive ratchet with 1/2 inch section. I got 3/8 torque wrench, crash one, from 5 to 50 pounds, 1/2 inch torque wrench from 25 to 250 pounds, pry bar, sledgehammer. I got a breaker bar here, 1/2 inch. Got a 1/2 inch ratchet, 24 inches, 72 teeth. Got a pry bar, chrome bar, and tap and die set. I've got chrome, long, deep, 6-point metric sockets from 9mm to 19. I got 1/2 inch ratchet over here. I got 3/8 breaker bar, 3/8 ratchet, triple square bits, hex bits up to 10 millimeter, 1/4 inch ratchet. I got 6-point shallow metric and long extensions, feeder blades right in here. I got impact sockets that go from 12mm up to 29 shallow, and also from 12mm deep up to 27. And I got impact star bit and bits, 1/2 inch ratchet, 1/2 inch breaker bar, sockets, extensions, swivels, more swivels. I got DMM video probe. I got a chargeable light, OB2 connection, keys for Snap Solus Pro, 1/2 inch ratchet extendable, 72 teeth, 3/8 and 1/4 inch ratchet extendable, Solus Pro, a thermal gun, test light over here, scrubber. I got hex bits from 6mm up to 19. I got chisels, snap ring pliers. I got freaking chisels, more chisels, bits, Allen wrenches, more Allen wrenches, snap ring pliers, tape, screwdrivers. Monkey wrench, soft hammer, hard hammer, vice grips, coolant pressure tester running here. I got a refractor meter over here. Chisel bits for your hammer. I got 3 impact sockets, shallow, from 7mm up to 19. I got an air drill right in here, an air cutter right in here, cordless impact right here, DeWalt, butterfly, 3/8 impact, Craftsman air ratchet. It's 3/8 with a 1/2 inch extension, 710 pounds torque, impact wrench, 1/2 inch, air drill. I got a freaking angle 3/8 air drill. Safety glasses, wrench cable, earmuffs, I got wrenches in here that go from 4mm up to 32mm, 12-point, 6-point, curl foot. See here, curl foot. And also these ratchet minis. I got hood prop, fuel, oil filter wrenches. I got these bit extractors. I got crow's foot from 8mm up to 24. I got brake tools, wire brush, dial caliper. I got a 6-inch and also a 12-inch. I got hose clamps, brake pad extender, hammer, air chuck, tread depth gauge, tire pressure gauge, hose clamp. I got freaking micrometer in here, vice grips, freaking pry bar, I got freaking 43mm impact socket. This is right there, 43. And we got 33mm long impact 6-point impact socket. I got sockets from like these are from like 40mm up down to 28. We got 3/4 inch swivel, engraver, I also got these brake tools, fuel extractor and filler, freaking suction gun and grease gun. And of course, this is what I look like. Alright.